This positional flexibility can be seen in optimism, support, self-identification of tendencies. So before Tito Pao explains what this all means, sabi ni Tito Rob, even in the instance of firing people, still got to learn to respect them as human beings. Yan, napaka-importante. At the end of the day, kahit boss ka, tao tayo lahat. May mga feelings lahat. You know, and as a leader, you have to rise above all that. Kaya yeah, maganda yung sinabi ni Tito Rob. But yeah, back to this positional flexibility. Ano ba to, Tito Pao? Ano pang kinalaman nito sa the rest of the flexibilities?
Siguro may konting overlap to with your emotion. Kasi your disposition is your current state of thinking, current state of feeling. When faced with a challenge or a change, you assess your disposition. Assess, are you super happy at the moment? Will you act on a happy thought? Or will you act in a pessimistic disposition? It says here that it's again a balance. It's a balance of being pragmatic and at the same time still very optimistic. Kasi ang worst that you do. Sige, I'll give you a little kwento para personal situation. Lahat tayo, di ba, nagdaan tayo sa pandemic. Malaki ang hit nun sa negosyo. Lalo na, kung ang negosyo mo, doing well naman. Hindi naman masama ang takbo. So, hindi ka ready. Wala ka namang, ang disposition mo, business as usual. Biglang may nagbago, biglang bawal lumabas. Bawal pumunta ng mall. Bawal bumili face-to-face. Hindi alam ng mga tao ano yung epekto ng sakit na COVID. Lahat natatakot, baka lahat sila mamatay. Lahat tayo mamatay. So that is a situation that you have to change your disposition. Ano ba yung change na gagawin mo? Will you be pessimistic all of a sudden? In our case, sa experience ko, ang unang thoughts na pumasok sa amin, takot ang mga taong lumabas. Hindi lang yung mga customer natin, pati yung mga empleyado natin. Takot. Magsara na tayo. Magsara tayo. Magsara tayo ng kasi hindi maganda ang outlook. Magsara. Cut losses. Pero it isn't a balanced disposition. It's very fearful lang. Dapat may level of optimism. When faced with a challenge like that, kailangan magpalit ka ng disposition. Ang disposition mo hindi dapat patalo. Ano ba? Magsasara ba tayo? Talo na agad yun. Dapat ang point of view mo, ang disposition mo, paano natin tatalunin to? Bakit? Kasi yung sabi nga kanina, ano ba yung goal? I think si Robert nagsabi na, ano ba yung goal ng organization? Ang goal is to support everyone. 3,000 tao mawawala ng trabaho. Papayag ba tayo doon? 3,000 pamilya yun. Papayag ba tayo mawalan sila ng kinabukasan? Lalo na sa sitwasyon na ganito. So, kailangan merong balance a cautious disposition. Cautious, but still, parang courageous na disposition.
Alam naman natin, meron sa mga sa mga groups natin sa school, groups natin sa work, may mga nega di ba? May mga nega talagang tao. Hindi mo may iwasan yan. Yung tanong ko lang, di ba? Parang ayaw natin kasama yung mga yan, di ba? Parang Debbie Downer, napaka-nega. Yan yung disposition nila. So, my question is, do you want to be part of their side na nega lagi? Fearful, takot, cowardice, or do you want to be part of, the other side na optimistic, na always looking for, to innovate, to become better, looking out for people, always providing support. So as leaders, parang napaka-importante yan na self-awareness din na tanongin mo yung sarili mo, ako ba yung nega sa trabaho? Like, or ako ba yung the positive light that people gravitate towards to? And I think there is no choice, because you guys are Filipino leaders. Doon tayo sa positive. Hindi pwedeng tayo maging negative. Sabi ni ML,